Hi kids, let's see the first lesson. This is plants the produces. Okay, and here we'll come to know about the parts of the leaf and what is meant by photosynthesis, storage of food in the plant, and unusual plants, which is different mode of nutrition. All these things will come to know from this lesson. The first one, if you go for the, we should know what are all the things system of the plants, that is root system and stem system, and with the help of the oxygen and sunlight how the photosynthesis process takes place. All these things we'll study in this chapter. This is given just an introduction about the lesson in the first page, and here they give you clearly what are all the parts of the leaf, that is from the stem how the leaves comes out, and how what are all the parts of the parts of the leaf. Here it is given, and in the next page they have given you they asked you to find out and write the part of the plant as being referred to using the clues given below. This is the plant they gave you, and the first question is, it has one or more seeds in it. Yes, which one has the seeds in it? Fruit, right? The next one, it changes into the fruit. Which one will change into the fruit? That is flower. The next one, it carries the water from the roots to the other parts of the plant, that is stem. It absorbs water and minerals from the soil, that is root. It mostly grows above the ground. What is this? Shoot system. Below the ground, root system. Above the ground, shoot system. And here, it mostly grows under the ground. That is what I told you. Root system. It gives support to the plant stem, because stems are the one which is in contact with the soils, which connects the root into the soil. The above to the ground position is stem, so it supports the plant. It prepares the food for the plant is leaf or leaves. It fixes the plant in the soil, that is root. It has the baby plant in it, that is fruits. Indirectly the seeds which is present inside the fruits. Okay, so this you can write by yourself, because these things we studied in the last year itself.